Mayor Delroy Williams continues to hit back at critics about the internal investigation to determine how inspectors failed to identify building breaches at the controversial residential complex. The apartment called the Gwen at 11 Charlemont Drive in St. Andrew was developed by National Water Commission NWC President Mark Barnett and his wife. Jamaica Maitland explains.
How could the building inspectors not notice the breaches? And for so long? Those are just some of the questions being directed at the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC. It follows a scathing ruling from the Director of Public Prosecution, Paula Llewellyn, on why she wasn't able to charge developers, NWC President Mark Barnett and his wife Annette Barnett, for breaching the building permit. The permit was for 12 one-bedroom units, but 6 two-bedroom and 6 three-bedroom units were built instead. Chairman of the KSAMC, Delroy Williams, says despite the backlash about the internal investigation on the building inspection process, changes have already begun.
I've read a few articles over this week, saying the KSAMC can't review itself, the KSAMC can't investigate itself in relation to multifamily developments and allegations of breaches.
Mr. Williams says the inspection process will also be different.
We have also introduced out of administrative review a system of multiple inspectors to a single development. That means no one inspector will inspect a development from start to finish.
Notably, there are only 5 building inspectors for the entire Kingston and St. Andrew. Mayor Williams wants to increase it. But how many more will the corporation get and how soon?
The KSAMC had a staffing problem. Well, it has a staffing problem. We have about 5 building officers roaming the entire municipality. We were the one who sought to address that. And we approached government and said, no, we have to restructure the KSAMC and restructure municipal corporation to increase the number of building and planning officers. That is in an advanced stage now of being implemented.
Could the country see a repeat of what happened at the Gwen? Well, Mayor Williams could not guarantee that either.
What we can do is to put in the controls, put in the measures to make it difficult for people to do that. And if they do that, we have the measures in place to detect it. And when it is detected, they will be dealt with. That is what we are doing. So don't go around and behaving like the KSAMC is this corrupt entity or agency or corporation. That is a lie.
Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
TV